I got an idea. I want to make a game that can be controlled by an iOS app that I create directly from my phone. This app right here that I'm creating on my phone will become a controller, and I want it to control a game that I create with cursor on my computer. So I'm holding my phone right now. This is my phone. I just have it screen recording to the computer. So this will be an iOS app. And so I want to create a list of games, right? So we're just going to create a very basic game first, because the thing that I care about most, in fact, I didn't even mention this, the thing I care about most is connecting the controller, which is a React Native app, to this game somehow. The easiest method. I don't know how you're going to do it. I want you to just do it. I don't want to have to download any packages. Just figure out how to do it, and I don't want any latency. Choose the best method to do this. And so, like, basically, there's just a home screen where I can establish a connection between the phone and whatever app that we're creating. The controller is a React Native iOS app that I'm creating on Vibecode app, React Native iOS app. Create the game, include an info icon at the top. If I press the info icon, it should open up a center modal that I can copy the instructions. This shouldn't necessarily be code. It should be instructions that might include code that I can give to Vibecode. And Vibecode is just an app that builds apps directly on your phone that is Claude Code, but it's just on my phone. And so I can give instructions that you give me. Don't be overly prescriptive. Just say what the game is. The Vibecode app will figure out how to format everything. That doesn't matter. I just want to establish a connection. That is the most important thing. Okay, let's see what you got, cursor. So cursor's going to work. Okay, so here it's done. It is running. Please run this locally. Aha! Very interesting. So look at what popped up here. Okay, there it is. I am going to just copy everything. Now I'm going to go to the Vibecode app. Please create an app that connects to this game. Here's what you need to do. Use the easiest method to make this work. Please think deeply about this and create the controller that connects to this app that I have running on my computer. All right, so now Claude Code is going to work. We'll see how this works. All right, so I believe it's almost done. I think it's just updating the README file. This is looking kind of good. Let's see here. Okay, it's done. Let's see if this works. Let's go connect. All right, so we did get some errors. I pressed fix. Okay, I actually think it gave me the wrong... Is this the right IP address? What is happening? Paste, connect. Oh! Connected! Let's go! Where is it? Where is it? Oh! I'm playing! I'm playing! I'm playing! How do I keep playing? Wait, reset. How do I play? Wait, play. I'm ready. Disconnect. Connect. Yes! Oh! Let's go! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yes! Oh! I died. How do I restart? Up, over, down. Come on. Let's get one. Oh. Oh. Restart. Connect. Oh. Come on. Yes. What? The game of Snake does not work. You know what? Screw this. I'm switching to Claude Code. All right. We're going to go to Claude Code. And let's open this bad boy up here. All right, this is looking good. Okay, the connection with my phone is working well. Please make Snake work. When I run in and I should be getting a point, the game kind of just resets instead. Like, just make this game of Snake a little bit better. Maybe add a little bit enemies, like a little enemy that moves around or something. Just make the game of Snake a little bit better. Add a restart button. And yeah, this is looking good. We are connected to my phone. Add a home page with a list of them. And I want to be able to use the connection, like the controller. I want to be able to select the game. And so add a second game, which is Tic-Tac-Toe. And I want to be able to play against a computer or with a friend, like on this, using the same phone. So have those two modes for Tic-Tac-Toe. Nice. We got it to work. Let's go. What the? All right. All right. What are we doing here? What's happening? Oh, I think the code's just being edited right now. Yes. All right, so now we're using Claude Code in both of these apps. We're using it in the most powerful app for building like web apps or apps on your computer, and then the most powerful app to build mobile apps directly from your phone. We're using Claude Code within the Vibecode app. So this is really fun. Okay, so this is done. What the heck is going on here? All right, I think I need to just rerun this. Okay. Game Hub, waiting for controller. I'm going to just disconnect and reconnect. Connected. Okay, I want to be able to... Okay, so it's making me select on my computer. But let's just play Tic-Tac-Toe. We'll play with 2 players. Okay, please update the instructions to paste in my phone. By the way, I do not want to be able to control this game at all, really, from the computer. Like, to be able to click on it. I want to just be using my controller the whole time, so keep that in mind. And put the instructions on how to get this, any additional controls I might need to set up on the controller, because remember, we're connecting this to a React Native app using the Vibecode app, and so I just need you to update the instructions that's in the info button at the top right. Actually, you know what? I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to say, please update the README based on how this connection works and the app that I'm connecting to, right? Because I just switched from Cursor to Claude Code. Maybe that wasn't the smartest thing to do. So I want to make sure that Claude Code has the proper context. So while now it's updating the README, I'm going to say read the README before you do this task, please. So now... And a README is just like, so if you're brand new to vibe coding, a README is just a place where it's just kind of writing its own little instructions. You see here it's writing in paragraphs, not even writing in code. And so here we're just going to say read the README before you do this task, please, in order to understand the connection. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and restart this. So I'm just going to hit disconnect and then reconnect. Okay, we are connected. I still can't select anything. I am going to copy all of this. Now we're going to go to the Vibecode app. Okay, we've made some additions here. I am going to give you some instructions. The way that the connection works, do not change it. The connection is working great now. I am connected to the app, so good job. Congratulations. Here's some updated instructions so we can continue playing these games and make any updates that you need to. All right, we'll ship that off to Claude Code within the Vibecode app. Wait. Okay, so now I can press settings. Okay, this is kind of annoying because I have to paste in the correct one. Actually, you know what? I'm going to solve this problem right now. I'm going to copy this. And then, okay, so now we should be connected. Okay, so now I have my phone right here, and I should be able to control it. Okay, I can, but the enter button does not work. So... Also, one thing I want to solve, please make the default IP address in this app right here for the connection this and store this locally so I don't, if it refreshes, I don't have to change it. Okay, so we have that prompt running right here. Also, I added an enter button. Please give me a paragraph just that would explain to the agent that's building the game if I need to change anything, because the enter button's not working. So if I need to tell the game anything, just give me that. A concise paragraph, and we have that one queued up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it gave us this little paragraph. Here's a concise paragraph to send to the agent. Okay, so we can just copy a little photo of this. We're going to go back to Claude Code. We can attach an image by typing / attach file, and then we go downloads, and there's the screenshot. Please look at this. I added an enter button. Okay, now it should work. So if we go back here, we need to refresh it. Now we go back to our app, and we're going to hit the settings, and we're going to hit connect. Now it connects. Now we should be able to control it and then press enter. There we go. Snake no longer works. That's okay. Tic-Tac-Toe. Play with 2 players. Okay, I still can't play Tic-Tac-Toe. I want to be able to play Tic-Tac-Toe with the controller, so please figure that out. And please make sure it's X's and O's and proper use, like, I want to be able to play Tic-Tac-Toe. We can open up the browser, and we can reconnect. I think we're going to have to disconnect and then connect. Now, there we go. Now, Tic-Tac-Toe. I guess we'll play against AI. Oh, okay, it works. Oh. Just trying to get a dub. All right, Cat's game. It's a tie. Okay, I want to step it up a notch here. I want you to use Three.js, and I want to play a Pokemon-style game. And I want you to give me full instructions on what controls I need to add to the controller to play this game. Just the connections that you need to create, because you did a good job implementing the previous one. Actually, before we type this in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go /compact, just because we're running out of context here. And then I am do this something similar. I'm just going to clear history because we're about to go off on another adventure and see how far we can push this. Now, while that's loading, okay, I want to test. I want you to build the Pokemon game, and then please just give me instructions here. Okay, so we just ran that. Okay, so it created the Pokemon game, implemented the game mechanics, and let's see here. Gameplay, great. Controller instructions to Vibecode. Here are the exact controls you need to add to your Vibecode controller app. Okay, cool. I'm just going to copy this. We're going to pinch. I need to add some controls. Everything about the connection works properly, so don't change anything about the connection. We're just changing some controls here because we're adding an additional game. Please be minimalistic in any changes you make to the the controller, but these specific controls with the 4 directions and the enter button should not really change that much. Or it actually shouldn't change at all. But if you need to add additional game buttons, that's fine. Here's the instructions from the web app that I'm creating that connects to this controller. Boom. All right. Oh, it looks like it's adding an A and B button. That's pretty sick. I'm excited for that. What else is it doing? Okay. It's done. All right, let's go ahead and give this a test here. I am going to, what do I need to do? I need to go ahead and we need to refresh this. We need to connect. We're connected. Okay, now we have this new Pokemon game. Bang. All right, why isn't it letting me play? When I press enter on my controller on the Pokemon game, it's not starting. It's just doing nothing. Please help. Actually, let's see. When I click on it, nothing happens either. The game is not starting, so please figure out how to make this work. Okay, so it is done. Let's see if we go to settings, disconnect, reconnect directly from our phone. Let's see if we can actually play Pokemon. What is this? All right, so now I can move around this map. Can I do anything? Please make enemies in the Pokemon game and make A and B let me throw items to kill those enemies. Please make the main character look more like a person or character. Please work hard. All right, it is done. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. We just got to give it a refresh. Settings, disconnect, reconnect, bang, close. Yes, it works. No. Run. Ah! Stay away from me. All right, it's not very fun. Okay, wait, can I throw something? Oh, I can throw. I'm throwing something. Okay, these things are way too fast. Game over, you were defeated. Damn it. All right. Okay, it's working. Make me way faster. Like one click, like I should move way faster. The enemies are way too fast compared to me. And then please add some sound effects for when I shoot the balls. Okay, now we're going to retest this again. Disconnect, reconnect. Ah, shoot, I have to reset the server. Disconnect, reconnect, boom, close, Pokemon, enter. All right, I should be way faster. There we go. Oh, it automatically like aims it at them. Let's go. die. No, am I out of ammo? No, I have no more ammo. Can I find ammo? Ah, I'm gonna die. What is this thing? Please, come on. What is this? Yes. Yes, I have a Pokedex. I caught a Snorlax. What does that even do? No, no. Oh, how do I use it? I don't even know what I'm doing. I guess I can collect Pokemon, but I'm out of ammo. No, no. Ooh, I caught a Lapras. What's this? What happened? No, did it just reset? Oh, what's happening? All right. Okay. So to summarize, we built a mobile app, right? And this is a mobile app that I could share with friends and make it public. We'll talk a little bit more about that feature in just a little bit. But we also created an app on our computer that connects to our phone. And so now we're controlling this with our phone. And we can do that. And here we're playing this weird Pokemon game. I didn't spend that much time on building this game out, so we could make it a lot cooler. We also added some more games too, but like you can play Tic-Tac-Toe as well. You can play versus 2 players. I don't even know if the snake works anymore. I'm not sure how that got broken, but that's what we did in this video. This was a fun exploration. I am going to, in the next video, make a multiplayer game. Like I'm thinking like a trivia game where like all 5 friends could sit around a TV or a computer and play this game. And then there's also some other ideas that I have for really fun games that you could create that are like for social gatherings. And that's what I'm going to try and do in the next video. If you like these types of videos, please let me know. I'll do more of them. I'll see you here for the next one.